Okay, here's a question for you. You've got 3 consecutive odd numbers, and the 3 of them all together have a sum of 87. What are the numbers? And we want to solve it using our algebra skills. Well, if the first odd number that we come across is n, the next odd number after that will be 2 more than n plus 2. Because if we had n plus 1, that would give it an even number. And we don't have even number at all in our sequence. We only have odd numbers. So the first odd number is n. The second odd number would be n plus 2. And the third odd number would be n plus 4. Think of odd numbers and how they work. If we had the first odd number as being 5, the second odd number would be 7, the third odd number would be 9, if they were numbers that followed each other. So an odd number always has an interval of adding 2 to the original number. The second odd number you'd have to add 2 twice, so you'd add 4. The third odd number you'd have to add 6. Okay? So we know that these 3 numbers all added together end up giving us 87. What do we do then? Well, the first thing we do is add all our n's together. How many n's do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 lots of n. Then we add our numbers together. We have plus 2 here, and there's a plus outside the front of the bracket, so everything stays positive. We have a plus here, and we have a plus 4 here. So we've got 2 plus 4, giving us 6. So 3n plus 6 equals 87. We need to get rid of our plus 6 so that all the numbers go over to the right-hand side of the equation. We do that by taking away 6 from both sides of the equation. That gives us 3n plus 6 minus 6 gives us 0, so it disappears from here, equals 87 minus 6, which is 81. So 3 lots of n equal 81. We don't want to know what 3 lots of n are. We want to know what 1 lot is. So we divide both sides of our equation by 3. This gives us 1 lot of n. 3 divided by 3 is 1, equals 3's into 8 go 2 times, 2 left over. 3's into 21 goes 7 times. That tells me that the first odd number in my sequence is 27. So if this is the first number of my sequence, 27, the second odd number just after it would be 29. The third number after that would be 31. And if I've done everything right, I do my little check, that 31 plus 29 plus 27, if I add all those 3 numbers together and I've done it correctly, I should get the number 87. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7, 17. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So I do get 87. So my final check shows me that I've done everything right.